This AI video generator allows you to build entire videos from start to finish. I'm talking about writing the script, planning the scenes, generating the visuals, adding a voiceover, and then editing everything together into a finished video, all from a single prompt. For example, you could take a Wikipedia article about a historical figure and turn it into a full faceless YouTube video.
In the crucible of revolution, one leader rose above all others. He led his nation through 8 years of war and delivered its freedom. The first to hold the highest office and the last.
You could take a trend that's already working on YouTube and use it as inspiration to create your own completely unique short form video. Or even take a single product image that a client gave you and turn that image into a full marketing ad. There are a ton of different ways that you can use this to create content, and depending on how you use that content, it could potentially turn into a real income stream for you. For example, take a look at this channel right here. The types of videos that they're making on TikTok could realistically be made with a tool like this. So in this video, I'm gonna show you 3 different use cases of how you can use this new tool called Medeo. And let's start with the first use case, which is creating and monetizing faceless YouTube channels. This is probably one of the most popular ways people are using tools like this right now, especially for things like educational content or storytelling or like short documentaries. And the reason for this is simple. These types of channels can actually make money, whether that's through ad revenue or affiliate links or even selling your own digital products. Once you start getting views, there are a lot of different ways to monetize it. And the crazy part is you don't need to be on camera to do any of this. So let's say that you wanted to create something like this, right? The first thing that you're gonna do is just create a free account, and I left a link down below in the description and the pinned comment of this video. Click on that link to land on this page right here. From here, simply click on Start for Free and sign up for a free account. With a free account, you'll get some free credits to test some things out before deciding to commit to anything. So sign up, and once you're in, you'll land on a dashboard that looks like this. And you'll notice right away that Medeo is built around these recipes, which are basically just starting points for different types of videos. So for example, if I click into the explainer tab up here, you can see all of these different recipes that can be used to create faceless YouTube content. Each recipe is designed for a slightly different style. So this scary story recipe could be used for a story time video, right? Something more suspenseful, perhaps. Data Lens is more of a cinematic documentary style explainer, great for things like science or educational content. Sketch Argument leans more into like the animation / like educational style format. And then things like this Jesus Redemption animation, this style could be applied to all different kinds of topics depending on how you use it. So instead of starting from scratch, you're really just picking a direction and then building your faceless video from there. And so let's just say, for example, that I wanted to create a faceless YouTube video about the fall of the Roman Empire. And I wanted to do it using this Jesus Redemption recipe. What I'll do is I'll click into it and then select use this recipe, and you can see it gives us a starting prompt up here. And so all we really have to do is just customize the topic. So for this, I'll do something like explain how the Roman Empire fell in a short, engaging 1-minute video. And then from here, we'll just click on generate and let Medeo build everything for us. So we'll give this a few seconds to run and see what it created for us.
Once, there was an empire so vast, it seemed the whole world bowed to Rome. Its armies were unbeatable, its roads stretched for thousands of miles, and its laws ruled over millions. But even the mightiest empire carries the seeds of its own undoing. First came the corruption. Emperors rose and fell like seasons, some vain, some cruel, many simply weak. The vast empire became impossible to govern. It split in two. the West and the East, each going its own way. Taxes crushed the people, the economy crumbled. Citizens lost faith in the empire that had once protected them, and the army, once Rome's greatest strength, was now filled with foreign mercenaries, soldiers with no loyalty to the empire's heart.
Now, one thing that I do want to mention here, everything that you're seeing was generated from a single prompt, right? But it's not always going to be perfect on the first try. And this is actually where the difference comes in between people who get results with this and people who don't. Because most people will just generate one video and then upload it, right? But the better approach is to treat this as a starting point and then add your own human touch into the video. And so go into the video, perhaps like a scene feels off or the pacing during a certain point feels a little bit slower. You would just go in and you would refine it. And that's how you get something that actually looks polished in the end. And with this tool, you can do exactly that. You can see that after the video is generated, we have this interface here that looks a lot like a traditional video editor if you've ever used one. To the left over here, we have all of our assets. And so this includes the assets that Medeo generated for us, but we can also upload our own assets like images and videos as well by clicking on this plus icon down here. And then right here in the center, this is where we can actually preview the video. So this is the full video that Medeo generated for us, and we can play through it just like this. Now down here, this is the timeline, and this is where everything starts to come together. You can see all of the individual clips that Medeo generated are already placed in order, cut together, and timed out for you. So instead of having to drag everything in manually and trying to line everything up yourself, it's already done for you. And if you wanted to, you could still go in here and make changes. And so you can do things like swap out clips, or adjust the timing, or even replace things with your own footage. And then over here, you can actually see how Medeo built the video. So it wrote the script, it planned out each shot, it generated all of the clips, and then it assembled everything together, which is why the video actually feels like structured instead of just a bunch of random clips thrown together. And what's really cool about this is that instead of having to manually edit everything yourself, you can actually just tell the AI what you want to change about the video and it'll do it for you. So let's just say, for example, you wanted to speed things up, right? Like change the pacing or adjust the style of the video, or even just restructure specific parts of the video. You can actually do that through the chat right here. And this is really the big difference with Medeo. A lot of AI tools help you generate pieces of a video, but Medeo actually connects everything together into something that's already finished, and you can use AI to continue editing the video. Now, a really quick side note here, okay? Because tools like this can create really realistic visuals and voiceovers, if your video looks or sounds like real footage, you'll want to be sure to mark that in the upload settings. You don't need to do this for more obvious animations, but for anything that's more realistic, it's just a good habit to stay transparent and keep your channel in good standing with YouTube. Now, something else I want to show you is how this works without using a recipe at all. Because while the recipes are great for getting started quickly, you're not limited to them. You can also come up here and just type in your own idea from scratch. So let's just say, for example, that I wanted to create a faceless YouTube video about the dark truth about social media algorithms. Up here in the prompt box, I'll type something like this. And remember, if you want to, you can add in links or images and stuff to help direct the AI. And now from here, we'll just click generate and let Medeo build everything from scratch.
Right now, an algorithm knows you better than you know yourself. Every scroll, every pause, every like, all of it is data. Billions of people feeding a machine designed to keep them watching. These platforms aren't built for connection, they're built for attention. And the more outrage, fear, and anxiety they can trigger, the longer you stay. Studies show social media algorithms actively amplify divisive and emotionally charged content, not because it's true, but because it works. You don't choose what you see, the algorithm does. And its only goal is to maximize your engagement at any cost. The question isn't whether you're being manipulated. The question is, what are you going to do about it?
Now, use case number 2 for this tool is short form content. And the goal here is to build videos that can potentially pull in views, grow an audience, and then monetize that through things like brand deals, affiliates, or even funneling people into your own products. Now, do you remember that channel that I showed you earlier where I said the types of videos that they're making could be created with a tool like this? Well, one thing you can do inside Medeo is use existing content as a reference. So up here, if we click this plus icon, you'll see that I can upload things like files, images, or even paste in a URL. And what this allows you to do is give Medeo a starting point. And so instead of having to describe what you want, you can actually just show it what you want. Now, obviously you don't want to just copy people. The goal here is to use that reference as inspiration and then add your own spin and your own voice and your own ideas and structure to that original kind of inspiration, because that's actually what's going to help you build an audience long term. You have to have your own unique voice. So for this example, let's say I grab a frame from one of those short form videos that I showed you earlier. I'll upload it right here, and then in the prompt, I'll say something like this. And now when I generate this, Medeo is going to use that reference as inspiration while still creating something original that you can eventually maybe monetize. And this is the type of content that people are posting literally daily. They're testing different ideas and simply scaling and doing more of what's working. And the great thing about doing this with an AI tool like Medeo is that you can test ideas very quickly. Now, use case number 3 is creating marketing videos or like marketing ads. So, true story, okay? I have a good friend who started a marketing agency, and he uses AI tools like Medeo to create marketing ads for his clients, and he literally gets paid to do exactly this. It's actually wild. And this is where something like this becomes really practical, especially if you're running a business or even something like a marketing agency like my friend. Because instead of needing a full expensive video shoot with a camera set up and with editing, all of that, you can actually start with something as simple as a few images and create a full-blown ad just from that. So for this example, I grabbed these free images from Unsplash just to test out this feature. And we're gonna upload all of these images into Medeo by clicking on the plus icon under the prompt box, then click Files, then add the images. And now we can instruct Medeo to create an entire marketing ad for us based on these images.
Great work starts with great teams, where bold ideas take shape. Strategy built for the digital age. Creativity that drives results. Do more, be more, every day.
Now, you've just seen for yourself all of these different use case examples, right? And even still, we are just scratching the surface. Some of you, though, might be wondering, how can I actually use this tool in my workflow? Whether you're starting a Faceless YouTube channel, or you want to use it to create marketing ads for your business, or you want to start making short form content, whatever. The way that I personally would use an AI tool like this, and I do use AI, is sprinkled into my content, especially if you're starting something like a Faceless YouTube channel. Because the real advantage here of a tool like this isn't necessarily replacing your entire workflow, right? It's making your workflow faster and more efficient. And here's exactly what I mean by that. Instead of trying to generate every single part of your video with AI and burning through all of your credits with just one single video, a better way to think about this is using Medeo where it actually gives you the most leverage. For example, you can use Medeo for things like your video intro or important visual sequences or specific scenes that would normally take you a long time to create manually. You can generate those within Medeo and then combine it with other stock footage or other assets that you went and manually got for yourself. And what this does is it allows you to create higher quality videos in less time without having to do everything manually. And this is also important from a YouTube perspective because platforms are starting to look a lot more closely at fully automated AI content. And if a video feels completely AI generated with almost no human input at all, that can become a serious issue for your channel long term. And trust me, you don't want that. So having that human layer in your videos where like you have your own edits, your own structure, your own decisions, those kind of things, that's not just about making the content better, it's also about building something that's more sustainable long term. And this is even true with something like marketing ads. I mean, I mentioned to you earlier that a good friend of mine runs a marketing agency, and he uses generative AI to create ads for his clients. But what he does is, instead of generating the entire video with AI, he simply sprinkles in the AI footage with real footage. And this is a much more effective approach because it allows you to take advantage of the power of AI while still keeping the content authentic. And so using Medeo in this way is not only more cost effective because you're not burning through your credits, but it's also just a smarter way to build content. So instead of replacing your entire workflow, this becomes a tool that enhances your workflow. So again, if you're interested, check it out using the link down below. Test it out for yourself and just kind of see if a tool like this makes sense for what you're trying to build. Hey, I hope that you found some value from this video. If you know somebody personally who wants to kind of get into AI, or maybe they want to start like a Faceless YouTube channel or something like that, feel free to send them this video. Also remember to drop a like down below and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this. And hey, as always, I appreciate you so much for being here, and I will see you again in the next video. Take care.